you guys, welcome back again tonight. This is JasmineLatishea on my channel. I'm saying it like it's called something else, but welcome back, you guys. This right here is another video about ketosis. This is my update. Second day. Has to be more than 18 hours later. Inside of the video right here, you will see my fasting app. Let me see. Okay, as of right now, I am 22 hours into the fast, and my and it's 10:30 right now. So by the time you even get this, I probably still be fasting. No, hopefully not. Hopefully not. But as of right now, I'm at 22 hours. Of course, I'm still in ketosis, and right now I'm going to insert the picture, but I am at level 3. Okay, so at this point I am producing moderate ketones, which is 40%. Okay, which you will see on my receipts, my pictures or whatever. Okay, you guys, so like I told you, I'd have been back 18 hours later. Still hanging in there. Tonight I will not be doing if you're gonna be tuned in for my exercise video, the abs and squat, I will not be doing it today. I've been washing all day. I'm talking about washing every darn thing, okay? So I will not have time to do it. I'm tired, I'm hungry. The alarms in the building, because the fire alarm kept going off, and the lights kept shutting off. It was raining up here, so everything's been cutting off on and off all day. I'm just a little bit drained, okay? While I'm in the middle of washing at that. So you gotta kind of like start over. So, but anyway, yes, I'm at moderate ketones, and this is after 2 days of fasting with 1 meal a day. Okay, that's it. Water, and as you know, the first day yesterday I even drank 2 sugary drinks and still was in ketosis. Now I will go another day to show you guys, but morning it could still be at the same level, which is between the 3rd and the 4th level. Now this is where your ketones will start going down as you eat. Okay, so if you, especially pasta is what I noticed, if you happen to consume some pasta, you can be right here and it's dark red, it's going to jump you down to right here or right here. Okay, so here is where you want to be really careful about what you're eating and stuff, and you'll notice it yourself that it'll take it down, but at least you'll stay in it. If you don't eat too much, you will stay in it. Even if you eat a lot, you'll stay in there, but just like, you know when you overdoing something. You know what you're doing. Okay? So, I'm going to come back tomorrow, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys my ketones for tomorrow night. Like I said, I'm going to eat now, but I probably won't go over. And I'm not going to be fasting as long. I had planned on stopping at about 6 o'clock this evening, my 18th hour, but like I said, I was doing stuff, so it just rolled on and on and on and on, and I don't feel too bad, but I'm really kind of just, because you know, you get kind of like a little laggy when you're fasting and stuff, and that's another reason I didn't want to go ahead and just exercise too, because I can feel the fasting. You know what I'm saying? And when you're in the middle of the fast, especially if you were going to be in a continuation of it, the exercising that I be doing, even though it's not that bad, it's progressively getting worse. I'm not finna be fasting and get down here doing 100 of this and 50 and 60 and 70 of that. No, that's team too much. I better fell out somewhere, okay? That might be too much exercising right there. So, I think while I'm fasting, while I'm getting used to it, I think I might go down to exercising to 4 days a week instead of the 5. I've been doing 4 anyway, technically, because I missed a day last week. I missed a day the week before, and today Monday, and now I missed today. So I've been doing 4. So I'm gonna actually schedule it to be for 4. The reason I've been missing in the past is because I'm taping I'm staying up all night. I know it's from the zombie maker, but I've been staying up all night, all times in the night, waking up when I want to. You know, everything is not. I don't have no structure no more. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just all over the place right now. I wake up at any time. I'm going to sleep in the morning sometime. The last couple of days I done seen the sun come. And it's hard for me to exercise after that. Then that's when I done really got tired, and then I'll go ahead and go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? And sleep a few hours, wake up, and half the day gone. Like, it's just getting crazy. I need some more structure. Need to get things on track. But yeah, you guys, that's all I was coming in to say. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I will be doing my exercising tomorrow for sure. I've got to. And I will show you guys where my ketone level is, and hopefully it's easy for you to understand. Like I said, if you're careful, I ate sugar yesterday and I'm still in ketosis. Okay? But that's just through the energy drinks. I didn't have more than 70 grams of sugar. Exactly. I didn't have more than 70. I think I had at minimum I had probably 70. Yep, 70 grams of sugar I had. So even if you mess up, you can continue going. And that's what I was trying to show you. Like, even if you mess up, even if you eat pasta, you will still stay in it. If you have a cheat day, that's how you get around being in ketosis and having a cheat day. Just get yourself up here to this level, and then when you have your cheat day, you will fall. But after that cheat day, you'll keep going back up. But you want to stay. Once you get in, don't get out. I told you here first. Once you get in, do not get out. It's a hassle enough trying to get up in. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it seems like it just takes forever. This time it seemed like it took forever to get into. Not this time exactly from yesterday to now, but the time before, right before now, it seemed like it took forever. I had been waiting the whole month of April trying to get in ketosis, and that was from eating. Of course, obviously I was doing something wrong, but I had to sit here and focus on that and make that the focus and priority to get back into it. Okay? Because if you're not making it a priority, then you probably won't hit the numbers. So just go get you some of these, or get you the meter. The meter takes blood drops and tells you exactly how many ketones you gotta. I don't know exactly. I don't know how it works. I ain't got one, but I know you can go get you a blood sugar thing and get your ketones with it. Okay. So thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. All right.